NUKK stock tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Nukkleus stock is a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. Yeah, so I'm observing this thing and it's like 23% down just on Friday. I was actually like, we had like one of the craziest last week's performances wise, like 27x is just absolutely crazy. And it's not just that, at some point of the week, we were as high as 50x, which is 5,000% up, right? In just a matter of 1 week. That's crazy. The way that I'm observing this market is I'm very open to this bullish idea, because like if you have done some research and some charting, you're going to know like what I mean here. I mean, context, I have done 32,000 videos over the last 4 years, and as a result, I have gotten thousands of predictions. With NUKK specifically, I want to see a full real like a double break here, like which I already kind of saw there, and then if there's a second break above 48.50, then and only then this is something that I will long. But what happens if we break the lows first? Then this is going to get deleted, and I will keep you updated. So that's how NUKK looks like. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. There is that free newsletter. I'll see you in the next one.